You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the plural of the shape known as rhombus is the singular, but how do you say what is the plural of a rhombus? If you have several rhombuses, is that how you say it? Yes, that's one correct pronunciation of it. Rhombuses. Now, if you want to make it sound that you know a little more and a little bit more, better, more, I don't know, like you know more, you can also say it as rhombi. Yes, rhombi is also the plural of rhombus. Both pronunciations, both ways of writing it and saying it are correct, rhombi or rhombuses. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.